Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Scan on Thinkorswim. First, navigate to the Scan tab, which is typically found at the top of your platform. From there, select Stock Hacker to begin building your custom search. This powerful tool allows you to filter through thousands of stocks quickly. You can define specific criteria to find opportunities that match your trading strategy, making market analysis much more efficient and targeted. Once in Stock Hacker, you can start adding filters to refine your search. Click Add Filter to include criteria like price range, average volume, or specific technical indicators. You can set minimum and maximum values for each filter, for example, a stock price between $10 and $500. Combine multiple conditions using and to narrow results or to broaden them, allowing for highly customized searches. After setting your desired filters, simply click the Scan button to generate a list of stocks that meet your criteria. The results will appear in a watch list format, which you can then analyze for potential trading opportunities. If you find a scan particularly useful, you can save it for future use. This saves you time by not having to rebuild the scan every time you log in. Thinkorswim also offers pre-built scans that you can use as a starting point or for quick market insights. For more advanced users, consider incorporating study filters, which allow you to scan based on complex technical analysis and custom scripts. You can use up to 25 filters in a single scan for highly precise results. Remember, practice makes perfect, so experiment with different settings. And hey, for more great deals and the link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, make sure to check out the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.